So this is our food forest, but we get into it later. But now I want to show you our dam situation. I thought the last year was bad, the last summer, but this season is even worse. So we barely have any water left. So, and this is how it looked like, our dam. And believe me, it's not funny. So very little water left. Probably will be gone within the next few days if we don't get any rain. All the little fishes you can see here, they will be probably gone. All the bigger fishes we had, the silver perches, we put in when we had water a couple of years ago. So they all gone because all the birds, ducks, everything have eaten them already. Yeah, and so how it looks like at the moment. We didn't have rain for at least 2 months. I didn't check it right now. We have beginning of March now, and we did have 0.5 millimeters in February, that's what I know, and none in January here at our place. So yeah, December I don't remember, I think it was about 2 millimeters, which is really nothing because yeah, it doesn't even get into the ground properly. So let's walk through the food forest. Luckily we have town water, so I can keep my plants and veggies I got alive. But yeah, our food forest is still very young. It's only about 5 years old, and all the young trees obviously and all the young plants, they all need water. It doesn't help. So all the young fruit trees you can see here I planted in spring with the hope we will have a nice wet summer as it's supposed to be. So all failed. They not failed, but I have to water them to keep them alive, obviously, using lots and lots of town water only to keep everything alive. Yeah, the sweet potatoes, the white sweet potatoes, they are very thankful plants. They get nearly no water and they still good. And at least for ground cover to protect the soil from the hot sun. But yeah, You can imagine how frustrated I am, because that's really not funny. I'm usually very positive, but when I go out to my food forest at the moment, so I'm not very happy. And you can imagine I cannot use the town water like from in the morning up to the night or through the night to have it all beautifully watered so it can grow. So that is why it looks like it looks like at the moment. I can really hope for some rain and some relief, because yeah, you can see by yourself. Yeah, of course we still have food, because the garden sections where we have our food growing, I water the most. But yeah, that's how it is. Let's go to the other section. Yeah, you can see the grass our geese were supposed to have. Everything dry and hopeless. The best solution would be to build a bore, but yeah, bore costs lots of money. So this section is, I'm keeping it alive and growing in the shade house and under the shade cloth. So, but also not as it should be. Oh, I show you my favorite place at the moment. Lots of shade. So, looks beautiful. Lots of spinach as ground cover. It's really delicious. So watering regularly, obviously. I have to keep it alive. But I also have to be careful about the watering with town water, because it costs lots of money. So yeah, I have to watch it and not overdo. So yeah, sweet potatoes, the white sweet potatoes, really thankful plants. Trying to keep my peanuts alive. These are pretty tough as well. Here one section I'm watering every day or twice a day because it's so hot. And I would love to have some cucumbers and some zucchini. So hopefully these guys will grow. and yeah, really trying my best. But look at this grass. Oh, this one is ready. That's good. So yeah, we are in subtropical Queensland. Oh, this one is probably gone. Ay, ay, ay. And we're supposed to have wet summers. Not as in the tropics, but still. Bloody hell, and everywhere I walk, I see dry leaves and trees and plants which have to be watered, so I'm really not keeping up with it. So yeah, that's the update. It cannot always be good, that's for sure. Keep your fingers crossed that we get some rain soon, before the winter starts, our subtropical winter, which usually is dry, so I don't want to think about it. Just trying to be positive and hope we get some rain. So yeah, that's how it is. I hope you're with me. Thanks for watching this video. If you wanna like and share, that will help us. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a better, wetter gardens at the moment, and I hope to see you next time. Next update will come soon, and I will update as soon as we get some rain, hopefully, fingers crossed. So see you next time. Bye.